I want to say inner HTML, okay, equals to, I want to give it a new thing to display, okay. Inner HTML will give us what? I am a boy, okay. By the time we save that, by the time we come back here, we have I am a boy, okay. We have changed what we have. We have changed what we have as, okay, sorry, let's change to I am a girl rather. I am a girl, okay. I am a girl. Good. So I am a girl. So that we want to change it to, okay. I am a girl. So we have changed what we have inside our elements here. We have altered it here and changed what? I am a girl, okay. So now we can decide to come down here, okay, and say document dot get elements by ID, okay. Now we are using ID. So then to do this, we say test, okay. So then we want to say dot style, okay, dot style, then dot color, okay, equals to red, okay. Then we save it. By the time we come back here, okay, sorry, we have to put it in our, by the time we come back here, we have it as red, okay. We have it as what? As red, because we have what? Changed the style, and inside the style we have changed the color to what? To red, okay. So if we decide to come down here now and say document dot get element by ID, okay, then we say test, because that's the name of our ID, test, okay. Then we say dot let's use dot style, then dot font size, okay. Then we say equals to, let's say 30px, okay. By the time we save that and we come back to our browser, so that it is bigger, okay. You can try to change it to 130px and we save it, and by the time we come back here, it is bigger, okay. So you can use your JavaScript to alter or to shape what you have in your HTML up there by just calling it by the ID, okay. So by calling by the ID, you are able to what? To make changes and do whatever you want to do with it.